It finally happened. I got the dreaded service column lock. I've had this car for 10 years and it finally happened. So what that means is my steering wheel is locked in place. So looking this up, how to temporarily get this unlocked, you pull the key out and you violently shake this, and hopefully the pins will retract. Let's try it. Keys out, so let's try this. I'm just gonna put the phone down so you could hear the violence. I feel like I'm gonna break the car. All right, let's try this now. Oh, it's not working. Oh, it worked. It worked. Okay, let's start the car up. It worked. Okay, I gotta get the bypass now while this is actually working. Awesome. Hopefully I'm not making a mistake starting it up again. Let's try that again. Start it up. It's unlocked. Merry Christmas if you found this video because you want to know how to unlock your steering wheel so you actually don't have to get towed to the dealer or a repair shop. I hope this helps you. If this helped you, let me know in the comment section. Helps my channel out a lot. Merry Christmas, guys. Have a great, safe, happy New Year.